Hello everyone, my name is Saroj Bhangade. Today's date is 21 May 2022. Today's video topic is mechanism action of the atenolol. So atenolol is a synthetic beta first selective blocker used in the management of the hypertension and the chronic angina and reduce the known as the suspected myocardial infarction in the hemodynamically unstable patient. So brand name is tenormin, generic name is atenolol, drug bank accession number is DB00335. So atenolol is a cardio selective beta blocker used in the variety of cardiovascular condition. Sir James Black, a Scotch pharmacologist, pioneered the use of the beta blocker for the management of angina pectoris in 1955, for the which is received the Nobel Prize. So beta blocker quickly become popular in a clinical use and were subsequently investigated for use in myocardial infarction, the arrhythmias and the hypertension during this 1960s. Later they continue to be investigated for the use in heart failure throughout in 1970 to 1980. The atenolol itself was developed early on his history by the Alogen Malta under the trade name Ternomin, and received the FDA approval in September 1981. So most widely prescribed the beta blocker, evidence suggested atenolol may be not significantly reduce the morbidity. So the atenolol is a cardioselective beta blocker called such because it is a selectively bind to the first adrenergic receptor as the antagonist of the reported 26 fold more than the B2 receptor. The selective actively at the beta 1 receptor produce the cardioselectively due to the higher population of the receptor in cardiac tissue. The some binding to B2 and possibly B3 receptor can be still occur the therapeutic doses but non-selective agent. B1 and B2 receptor are G5 couples, therefore the antagonism of the their activation reduce the activity of adenylyl cyclase and its downstream signaling via cyclic adenine monophosphate and the protein kinase PK. So in cardio mycocyte, PK is a throughout to medicate activation of the L type of calcium channels and the radiodine receptor through their phosphorylation. The L type calcium channel can be provide an initial rise in intracellular calcium and trigger the radiodine receptor to release the calcium stored in the sacromoplasmic reticulum. So increase the contractility. So similarly, inhibitory event occur in the bronchial smooth muscle to be mediate relaxation, including the phosphorylation of a myosin light chain kinase, reducing the affinity for the calcium. So antagonism of this activity by the beta blocker agent like the atenolol can thus cause increase the broncho contraction. So this information about the mechanism action of the atenolol. Thank you.